In today's video, I'll show you how to get the Salesforce Authenticator QR code. First, open your browser and go to the official Salesforce website. Then make sure you are logged in with your account. On the home page, click your profile at the top right, then click Settings. Under My Personal Information, click Advanced User Details. Scroll down and find App Registration, One-Time Password Authenticator, then click Connect. You will be asked to enter a verification code sent to your email. Enter the code to proceed. Once done, you will see the QR code on your screen. Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code. Then enter the code generated by the app into the text box and click Connect. And that's it. That's how you get the Salesforce Authenticator QR code.